Hello everyone and welcome to the Door-to-Door YouTube channel. Today I have a video of us installing a custom high lift door in Mahwah, New Jersey. By the time I got there, the guys had already gotten started a little bit, so I'm missing the intro, but we're working with a I believe this one was an 18 by 8 door that was actually high lifted, so big door. So check out the video. It's just going to be some time lapse of us installing it, and it's pretty cool when it's all said and done, so check it out and enjoy. Thanks. Up towards the roof. With that funky angle we had. Taking apart this outer piece, getting it ready to go up the hook. Motors continue to go, wires run, move along.